Moving on, if you have to calculate present value, future value, rate, PMT, NPR, number of period, you can simply do it using that formula which we did earlier. So let's say this is the data set that you have. This is a bond. For this bond, you need to calculate that what is the coupon payment. So what formula will you use? You will use a formula equal to PMT. PMT is your payment. Now you will give it rate. What is the rate? Rate is your yield to maturity, which is 5%. Number of periods, 5 years for example. Present value, 913, which is your price. And in negative, if you are giving future in positive, then give present in negative. Future value is your par value, 1000. Type end of the period, 0. It will give you the payment, 30. Let's say that you have payment, but you do not have future value. So what is the formula? Equal to FV. FV is future value. Again, give all the data. Rate, same. Number of periods, same. Payment, 30. Present value, minus 193. It is 0 and it will give you FV, which is 1000. Now let's say that you need present value, price. So you use the formula equals to PV. If you need rate, you use the formula equal to rate and give all other values. If you need periods, you use the formula equals to NPER. So whatever you need, you use that formula and you calculate the rest. If let's say that there is a company which had 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021. It posted revenues of 118. It posted revenues of 110 in 2019, 120 in 2020 and 135 in 2021. And if you have to calculate 3 years CAGR, 3-year compound annual growth rate. What is compound annual growth rate? Is it the growth rate, annual rate? So simply what you can do is you can use equals to rate. Equals to rate. Number of periods, 3. So first, second, third. Payment, nothing. Present value, minus 100 at time is equals to 0. Future value at t time is equals to 3. 135, 0.
Type is 0.
No, that is type. Type means end of the period or beginning of the period. So for ordinary cash flows that happen at the end of the period, type is 0. Unless it is annuity due. In annuity due, it is 1. So your 3-year compound annual growth rate is 10.5%. This is how you calculate it.